Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that concerns us all: the impending recession in 2024-2025. While economic downturns can be challenging and even frightening, it's essential to be informed and prepared. In this video, we'll explore the potential causes and consequences of the upcoming recession and, most importantly, share actionable tips and strategies to help you not just survive but thrive during these uncertain times. To effectively prepare for the incoming recession, it's crucial first to understand what a recession is and what typically causes it. There are some important points that are further discussed as 1. What is a recession? A recession is a significant decline in economic activity that lasts for an extended period, often marked by rising unemployment, reduced consumer spending, and shrinking business investments. 2. Causes of recession. Recessions can be triggered by various factors, such as economic imbalances, financial crises, or external shocks like pandemics. While predicting the exact causes of a recession can be challenging, there are several potential factors contributing to the economic uncertainty in the near future. There are some important points that are further discussed as 1. Inflation concerns. Rising inflation rates can erode purchasing power and lead to economic instability, potentially triggering a recession. 2. Supply chain disruptions. Global supply chain disruptions, as seen during the COVID-19 pandemic, can impact production and lead to economic downturns. 3. Geopolitical tensions. Political conflicts and trade disputes between nations can disrupt global trade and economic growth. Understanding the potential consequences of a recession is essential for making informed decisions about your finances. There are some important points that are further discussed as 1. Job loss. Recessions often lead to job cuts and higher unemployment rates, making job security a significant concern. 2. Reduced consumer spending. As people tighten their budgets, consumer spending typically decreases, affecting businesses and industries reliant on consumer demand. 3. Financial stress. Recessions can lead to financial stress, including difficulties in paying bills, mortgages, and loans. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore actionable tips to help you not just survive but thrive during the impending recession. There are some important points that are further discussed as 1. Emergency fund. Build or bolster your emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This financial cushion can provide peace of mind during uncertain times. 2. Budgeting. Create a detailed budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut costs and redirect savings toward essential expenses. Managing your debt effectively is crucial during a recession to prevent financial strain. There are some important points that are further discussed down below as 1. Prioritize high-interest debt. Pay down high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, as quickly as possible to reduce interest expenses. 2. Refinancing options. Explore refinancing options for mortgages and loans to secure lower interest rates and reduce monthly payments. Relying on a single source of income can be risky during a recession. Diversifying your income can provide stability. There are some important points that are further discussed as 1. Side hustles. Consider starting a side hustle or freelance work in your spare time to supplement your primary income. 2. Investments. Diversify your investment portfolio to include a mix of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce risk. Enhancing your financial literacy is an investment in your future financial well-being. There are some important points that are further discussed as 1. Financial education. Read books, attend workshops, or take online courses to improve your financial literacy and make informed decisions. 2. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors or experts to create a recession-proof financial plan tailored to your needs. In uncertain economic times, safeguarding your career is vital. There are some important points that are further discussed as 1. Skill development. Invest in skill development and training to remain competitive in the job market. 2. Networking. Cultivate professional relationships and networks that can provide job opportunities and support during challenging times. Embracing a frugal and sustainable lifestyle not only conserves resources but also reduces financial stress. There are some important points that are further discussed as 1. Minimalism. Consider adopting a minimalist lifestyle, focusing on essentials, and reducing unnecessary expenses. 2. Sustainability. Reducing your environmental footprint can lead to cost savings and contribute to a more sustainable future. Taking care of your mental and emotional health is paramount during a recession. There are some important points that are further discussed as 1. Stress management. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, mindfulness, or exercise to maintain emotional well-being. 2. Support networks. Lean on friends, family, or support groups for emotional support and guidance during challenging times. In conclusion, while the prospect of an incoming recession may seem daunting, remember that proactive planning and prudent financial decisions can help you weather the storm and even come out stronger on the other side. We hope you found these tips and strategies valuable in preparing for the challenges ahead. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Stay tuned for more financial insights and strategies right here on our channel. Until next time, take care and stay financially resilient.